Here is another example on how to convert whole numbers in base 10 to base 8. Let's convert 259 base 10 to a number in base 8. To do this, we divide repeatedly by 8 until further division is no longer possible. Then take the remainders upwards. Solution. Draw a table. We place our 259 on this side. Then the base we are converting it to at the other side. Then we divide. 8 in 25, you have 3. That's 24, remainder 1. 8 in 16, you have 2. Remainder 3. Divide again by 8, you have 4. Remainder 0. But divide again by 8. 8 goes in 4, that's 0. Remainder 4. Then take the remainder upwards. Therefore, 259 base 10 equals 403 base 8. And that's how to convert whole numbers in base 10 to base 8. Thank you.